Starting a business from home is often sold as a dream, but the truth is most people quit before they even begin because they think it costs too much. I used to believe the same until I found out how a single food-making machine could turn a small kitchen into a money-making setup. That's why today I'm going to show you 7 food-making machines to start a small food business from home. Number 7. Chocolate Melter Machine. Smooth, shiny, perfectly tempered chocolate is what keeps customers coming back, and this machine guarantees that outcome every single time. Instead of struggling with temperature changes and messy manual methods, it maintains the ideal heat for melting, storing, and serving. With its automated controls and simple operation, even beginners can produce professional quality chocolate. From molded bars and truffles to cake coatings and decorative drizzles, the results are consistent and reliable. Features like adjustable flow, separate temperature settings, and a built-in night mode make it practical for anyone looking to run a small food business from home. The earning potential is impressive. A batch of handcrafted chocolate bars or truffles can sell for several times the cost of ingredients. Boxes of assorted chocolates can easily be priced at $15 to $30, and specialty creations often command even higher rates. Selling just 100 truffles at $3 each brings in $300, and with steady weekly production, the numbers add up quickly. Considering the machine is priced around $2,200, a motivated seller could recover their investment within a few months. If you are aiming to tap into the booming demand for gourmet sweets, this machine creates both efficiency and profit. Number 6. Bakery Bread Making Machine. Starting at about $6,000, this complete bakery equipment set might seem like a big investment, but the outcome makes it worth it. With the ability to turn out bread, cakes, and pastries automatically, it sets the stage for steady daily income. Bread alone sells quickly, often priced between $2 and $5 per loaf, while cakes can range anywhere from $15 to $50 depending on size and decoration. Producing just 50 loaves a day could generate $100 to $250, and adding cakes or specialty items easily boosts revenue into the thousands each month. Beyond the earnings, the real benefit lies in consistency and efficiency. Instead of juggling multiple small machines, this all-in-one system handles the main stages of baking with reliable results. Gas and electric options allow flexibility in setup, and automatic operation reduces the need for heavy manual labor. For home-based entrepreneurs, small cafes, or breakfast shops, it means more time to focus on recipes, branding, and selling. In short, the bakery bread making machine offers both scale and reliability, making it an ideal choice for those who want to run a serious baking business from home. Number 5. Automatic Donut Making Machine. Selling donuts has always been a profitable small business idea, and an automatic donut maker makes the process far more manageable. Instead of mixing, frying, and glazing by hand, the machine does most of the heavy lifting. It drops the dough, fries it evenly, and can even help with coating, so every batch comes out looking uniform and professional. This saves hours of manual work and ensures customers get donuts that taste and look consistent every time. Donuts are not only popular at cafes and bakeries, but also at weekend markets, school events, and even catering orders. A single donut can easily sell for $1 to $2, while specialty ones topped with chocolate, sprinkles, or fillings can fetch $3 to $4. If the machine produces around 300 donuts in a few hours, that's anywhere between $300 and $900 in revenue in just one day of work. Deducting the cost of ingredients, which is relatively low for donuts, leaves plenty of room for profit. The initial machine cost starts at around $500, making it a reasonable investment compared to the potential income. With steady local sales or small cafe partnerships, this machine can pay for itself quickly and keep generating consistent earnings. Number 4. Dumpling Making Machine. Food businesses that focus on dumplings, samosas, or empanadas often struggle with the time it takes to fold each piece by hand. A dumpling machine changes that completely. It handles the shaping and filling process, producing neat, uniform dumplings at a much faster pace than manual preparation. With one mold, you can make a specific shape, and switching molds allows for a variety of products like ravioli, wontons, pierogi, or spring rolls. That flexibility means you're not limited to one type of food and can cater to different customer preferences with ease. From a business standpoint, the opportunity here is strong. Dumplings and similar stuffed pastries are in high demand at restaurants, frozen food suppliers, and street food stalls. If each dumpling sells for 50 cents to $1, even a modest production of 500 pieces a day could generate $250 to $500 in revenue. Considering the cost of flour, dough, and fillings, profit margins remain healthy, especially when bought in bulk. With consistent production, a single machine could easily bring in $5,000 to $10,000 per month, depending on sales channels. Priced around $650 per unit, the dumpling machine is affordable for small entrepreneurs. Its speed and versatility make it a smart choice for person looking to grow a food business from home or supply local eateries with ready-made products. Number 3. Instant noodle maker. Instant noodles are among the most consumed foods worldwide, loved for their taste, affordability, and convenience. This machine is designed to handle the complete process automatically, including mixing, shaping, boiling, cutting, frying, and cooling. The benefit is consistency. Every pack of noodles comes out with the same texture and quality, which is essential if you want to build a brand that people trust. It also offers flexibility, as it can produce both fried and non-fried types to suit different customer demands. The earning potential here is strong. A single pack of noodles often sells for around 50 cents to $1, while the cost of ingredients is minimal. Producing 1,000 packs in a day could generate $500 to $1,000 in sales. Even after subtracting costs, the profit margin remains attractive. With steady demand from local shops, cafes, and wholesale buyers, the monthly revenue can reach several $1,000s. That kind of return makes it easier to justify the machine's price, which starts around $5,500 and goes up to $16,500 depending on specifications. For anyone looking to build a small-scale business around a product that never goes out of demand, an instant noodle machine provides both efficiency and profitability. Number 2. Popcorn making machine. Few snacks are as popular and profitable as popcorn. This commercial machine is designed for non-stop production, thanks to its durable scraping blades and non-stick pot that prevents burning or clumping. With a one-touch startup, it's incredibly easy to operate, even for beginners. The design focuses on convenience and reliability, which means you can serve fresh, hot popcorn quickly without worrying about constant supervision. For a small food business, this translates into less time managing the machine and more time selling to eager customers. The profit margin on popcorn is one of the highest in the snack world. A single serving that costs only a few cents to make can sell for $2 to $5, depending on size and flavor. Selling 100 portions in a day could easily bring in $200 to $500. At events, markets, or small cafes, the numbers can climb even higher. With a price tag of about $8,000, the machine is an investment, but one that can pay itself off quickly with steady sales. If you are looking to add a crowd favorite to their business, popcorn remains a simple yet highly rewarding option. Number 1. Ice cream making machine. Few food products sell as effortlessly as ice cream. A commercial soft-serve machine takes the traditional process and makes it faster, easier, and more consistent. With the ability to create multiple flavors, including yogurt-based options, it allows you to serve customers a variety of choices without complicated preparation. The machine keeps the texture smooth and the servings uniform, which helps maintain quality for every cone or cup. Its automatic functions also cut down on labor, so running it from home or in a small shop feels manageable even for beginners. The real advantage comes from the business side. Ice cream is a high-margin product because the main ingredients are relatively inexpensive. A single serving can easily sell for $2 to $4, and toppings, or mix-ins can push the price even higher. Selling just 100 cones in a day could generate $200 to $400 in revenue. Over a month, that adds up to thousands in sales, even at a small scale. With a starting price around $565, the machine quickly pays for itself and keeps bringing profit long after. For anyone wanting a steady-selling product with year-round demand, this machine makes ice cream a smart business choice. It's fascinating how something as simple as a small machine can spark a full-time business that changes lives. If you had $5,000 to invest, which one of these food machines would you risk it on? Tell me in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and suggest the next topic you want me to break down.